It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. Driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, AT4 hard badging, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, the head-up display button and information tab, electric park brake, 2-wheel drive, auto 4-wheel drive, trailer mode. By turning this dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both front headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash by using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. You'll also notice here it is fully customizable. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has Bluetooth capabilities. It also is equipped with Google Maps. Those are our shortcut buttons down the left of the screen, including our trailering app, Bluetooth, and this screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. HD surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons there at the bottom of the screen. The engine push start button, apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. Heated and ventilated front seats, dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, lane departure warning, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, no slip matting, USB ports, electronic precision shifting, the integrated trailer brake controller, dual cup holders, and the wireless charging pocket. Simply place your phone in the charging pocket and it will charge your phone for you. Last, we'll take a peek in the center console where you'll find some additional USB ports, a power plug-in, removable storage tray, and the center console safe. Starting at the front of the AT4, you'll notice the completely refreshed front end, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, fog lights, red tow hooks, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, AT4 hard badging down the side, black mirror caps. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start, and remote start, a rear window slider, and making our way here toward the very back, you'll notice the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro Tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. That tailgate step also has GMC's MultiPro Tailgate Step Lights. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the AT4 logo, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, USB ports, the rear fans. All-weather floor mats can be found on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage is located behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage accessible by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.